can't take back the love that I gave you. Oh, it's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to my heart instead of my head. I thought another one, but I am the better one. I won't let you forget me. You left me falling and landing inside my grave. I know you want me so, Dad. Yeah. Oh, I take prescriptions to make me feel okay. I know it's all in my head. Yes, Kermie, it's in your head. I have these lucid dreams where I can't move a thing, thinking of you in my bed. Oh, Miss Piggy, you were my everything. Thoughts of a wedding ring. Now I'm just better off dead, like a tadpole. Oh, I'll do it over again. I didn't want to do it. I watched it blow in the wind. I should have listened to my friends. The shit in the past, but I wanted to last. You were made out of plastic, fake. I was tangled up in your drastic ways. Blue evil pigs at the prettiest face. You gave me a heart that was full of mistakes. I gave you my heart and you made heart break. Oh, you were such a hoe.